So yes, so we decided to spend some time in Cliveden House between Christmas and New Year. We had a hotel between friends, but obviously with restrictions it was not possible. So we're quite lucky to have found last minute rooms here, and I will show you around the rest of this video. So when you arrive, you've got this majestic arrival, which is leading
now
to
when you
the
come in the
house.
mornings when there's no one in, it's stunning here.
That's the Great Hall, which has been restored a couple of years ago. Lovely festive atmosphere. From there, you go up the stairs. We had rooms in the main house, but the first floor, we were on the second floor with 2 bedrooms. Here you can see the big hall in light. So this is Mademoiselle's bedroom. She had a mansion deluxe room, really lovely and cozy with a big 4-poster bed, and it was looking over the entrance. And that's our bedroom, which was a suite, again in the main house, with a very nice marble bathroom with views over the countryside. And then coming back into the bedroom, there was a dressing area with again a view of the garden. And that was the kind of loungy with a sofa, big TV and a Christmas tree, because it was just after Christmas. And food, breakfast was a buffet. The buffet was back after COVID stopped it, and it was all table service. Lots of choices, both healthy and savory. After breakfast, we went for a walk. Cliveden is known for being actually a national trust, and you can come here without staying at the hotel, explore the gardens, the woods around, and then come back and admire the grand house from outside, and even maybe book an afternoon tea to enjoy the restaurant inside. So we just finished a long walk around the gardens. It's part of the National Trust. We can do very long walks, and now we're back at the main house and do the rest. So you can of course relax in the Laundries. This one is only for people who stay at the hotel. That's the great hall where everybody can sit down and people come here for afternoon tea. But of course the main event is the spa. Now the spa has both an outdoor and indoor pool. The outdoor pool is heated and kids can be there at any time of the day. There are also 2 jacuzzi that you can enjoy, and it's linked to the indoor pool through those doors on the left. The indoor pool is obviously heated. There's a sauna and a hammam. So that concludes the tour of Cliveden House, a lovely hotel not far from London.